But if you look at it, it was just like I was suffering from nowhere because cancer is not painful. Whoever got cancer is my sister who was living in Banana and married there. But due to her body, she was telling me she's becoming a bit weaker because we are getting old. But later I told her, no, I don't see it right. Why don't you come and live with me? I asked the husband and he agreed to come to release the one to come and stay with me in Juja. That is now where we went to hospitals and found she has cancer. But during that period again, my mom who lives with me in Juja also, she was talking about slight headaches and what. I also took her to Aga hospital. And when I took her there after the burial of my sister, she was told also she has a brain cancer, the one that I had. And I took her through for, I think, 9 months through the radiotherapy and chemo. But now hers was stage 2. So at the moment, as we speak, she's fine.
It's in remission.
And that's my mother. And then after campaigns, I said, why not me? I was feeling pain nowhere. There's nothing. There was no problem with me. I stopped drinking 4 years ago. So I was just as fit as anybody else.
Right.
But I said, why shouldn't I go and try it? But I tell you, when I went to some hospitals, they told me now after the research they did that this is TB and water has given so many hours, 30 in a day. But I said, what is this? I went again. That is now when they found a brain cancer. And when they found a brain cancer, I spoke about it same day. And because it's brain cancer, so what happens here in Kenya when people find that we have cancer? Because health was devolved, which is very wrong. And I'm always talking about it in my Facebook and everywhere. Where do you devolve health? That's why people are dying, because they don't have the right places to go and check on the cancer, because it's not painful. And today that I'm here, I want to tell Kenyans, go and do checkups for cancer. I said, you have never checked me on cancer. And my sister passed on because of cancer. My mom had the same problem. Why not me? And the doctor joked with me and said, why do you want to look okay? But later on, I agreed, and that is how I found that now I also have cancer. But now, due to working for the Kenyatta family a long time, they also came to assist me. And that is now where now I was done on operation. And now where Kenya has been failing in Africa and other countries is when you are done on operation, you must they must get a block. A block is where now you are suffering cancer from. Mine is the brain, maybe somebody else is the heart or anyone. You must get a small flesh from there. That now becomes now the block. There's machines that do it. So that block belongs to you. It's private block. It can come to India, it can go to America. So that if they put it in a machine, you, my friend, you don't believe me or not, you have the genesis of your cancer, have millions of viruses. So when that machine comes and now detects the type of cancer that you have, that is now when you are started to be treated. Because when I went to India, I stayed 3 days without being treated or attended to, because they knew I have a block. But now here in Kenya, when they get that block, they keep it here for what? Because we have thousands and thousands of people in India where you donate money, 3, 4, 5 million Kenya shillings. You donate, yes, but they sleep out because they can't afford house is there. And that is why I went around the whole country, almost India, because God helped me. Because after my operation here, I started going to radiotherapy and chemo. But that radiotherapy, I've never gone with a wheelchair. I get from the machine and there's a car. And I said, now that I'm in India, I'll spend every day going around to see these patients of cancer. And I tell you, even there, I left 9 members of parliament who doesn't want their names to be mentioned. 4 senators, 1 have already passed on from Kisumu, on the other side of Kisumu. Because now this cancer, even now the machines that are in India, We can't afford them here. And that is why we have agreed and spoken that even the governor should meet with the CS for health so that they sit down and see in every county at least there is a machine that is checking on cancer. I found that they have the machines with them. That is how I asked them, these machines, why don't we have them in our country, and which machine is this? I said, this, we only have these two in India, and in America only 15. So I was taken that process now of going through that machine. And when you see it, when you watch it, even you see how your cancer is and how it's being treated. But now they make sure every morning I'm there at the right time. You want to take the dawas, you must. And also that is very important in cancer patients and whoever has listened to this. The timing of taking a dawa for cancer is very important because if you don't take it at the right time, then something happens after that. But now when I started talking about my cancer there and even talking to people from this side, and even now as we talk, Onyamora and Beth Mo, they are now helping me because they have gone through cancer. Yeah, Onyamora at least is treated, Beth Mo is treated. But who is now a member of parliament who has cancer, who wants to talk about it? If you listen to them, all of them in that parliament, everybody is telling me my family is what you see. When we lost a member of parliament who I was with last parliament, because of cancer. Why are we losing people in Kenya? Because we don't have the right machines, we don't have the right dawas, we don't have, that is why. Ask you, Jeff, have you ever gone for checkup for cancer? You'll say no. No. Because I know you are a Bible person. And kids in India who are under cancer. Yeah? Very young, the youngest that I saw was 2.5 years there, who I left there, and they are in hundreds. I told you there were 9 million people from Kenya. 9 million people from Kenya. So you can see the problem that we have. 131 countries around the world come to India. 131 countries come to India because of the new machines they have and the doctors and what. So cancer is a killer disease, yes, but can be treated if you go and be checked early.
9 million Kenyans
are in India, the ones I left. It's renting a house for third class, and I paid about 2.3 million when I left 7 weeks. What about that person you did haram to India? Some worries are wrong because I even now, I've even seen students outside my house in Jomo Kenyatta University. I've spoken to them also, and I told them the same, that they should go for checkups about cancer, yeah? And they are supporting me. But if you look at people now, when you know that you have cancer, you go and hide. Like now, my people in Juja constituency have come. You know we have now, and I'm going soon around the country, talking to the people in the county. Because now, cancer, people say is a killer disease. But depending on the level that cancer is. Because it's a stage. If it's class 1, stage 1 and 2, you must, any dawas you take from any chemist, you'll be healed. It's very easy to treat cancer in stage 1 and 2. Yeah? It's very easy to treat cancer in stage 1 and 2. I told them it's even harder to treat malaria, which comes back and as you take dawas, than even cancer. That is what made them. And I told them the same. And I told them how many people, and then they say, you know, my neighbor also has cancer, but she doesn't talk. They don't even go and say it in churches or anywhere. This is now the word I want to tell Kenyans. If you know you have cancer, sometimes even you don't know whether your brother has. Look at my mom and my sister and me. Right. People should check on cancer like any other disease so that detected earlier, I'm telling them, they'll be healed. And that is how now, that is what we are looking for. And that is why we want now to revisit about health, so that after another 2 years, we are having a new constitution. Why devolve health? Health is not supposed to be devolved.
It should be a national function.
It should be a national function.